Continuing on with our C chart, let's see how we can use Excel, not PHStat, to create the same C chart. Let's review that upper control limit is equal to mean C or C bar plus 3 times the square root of C bar. The center line is that C bar or mean C, and lower control limit is C bar minus 3 times the square root of mean C. So in here, let's compute and see what C bar is. Equals average of this range, and that's 3.8. And let's find out what the square root of C bar is. I'll write it as equal square root of 3.8, and we get 1.95 approximately. So the upper control limit is going to be equal to C bar plus 3 times the square root of C bar. But if I want to copy that down, I have to fix the cell reference for these two values. And now I'm ready to copy that down. And so all of my upper control limit will be 9.65 rounded. My center line is going to be equal to 3.8. So I'm going to copy that down. And my lower control limit is going to be my C bar, which is 3.8. And I'm going to fix the cell reference there. Minus 3 times the square root of C bar. And again, I'm going to fix the cell reference. So when I copy down, the same number will be copied down. With that, now I'm ready to create my C chart. Go to Chart Wizard, select the line chart option, and say OK. And here's your C chart created with Excel. You can come here and right click, go to Format Data Series, Marker option, Built-in, and close so that you can get these dots to designate exactly where each C value or nonconformity is located. And from there you can go ahead and interpret your chart, which in this case appears to be within control. Thank you.